Hey traders, a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? I was actually about to send trade alert to members when price was right here, but at the very last moment the price just pushed up. That would be a still valid entry if you have a red candle maybe closed here, but as you can see it just closed as a 382 candle. So that is why I'm just avoiding now to enter nat gas short at this point. So I'll still wait for a hit of this zone, maybe a possible red candle here. Do not curse me afterwards. It is a selling zone, but if you are someone who just trade zones and do not wait for the condition, which I will never recommend, then your stop loss will be right above the wick. Take profit wherever you want to take it. It can still fall from here, looking at the fact the price is at the major area of value. But I personally wait for the condition with a red engulfer, red candles or inverted 382 candle, not a hammer candle. I want to see a 382 candle, but that is why I did not enter here. If that was a 382 candle, in that case I will enter my sell trade. I have already made a video how to identify valid 382 candles and a hammer candles. I will put the link in the description as well, so that you can see this is not a valid 382 candle right here. So again, I will always wait for the condition, and I was about to send an entry, then I stopped at here when the price pushed back up. So again, if you want to enter, wait for the price for the possible push up again and form bearish candle. A better entry will be with the bearish engulfers 382 candles at the rejection zones. Again, if the price is pushed up and break above this previous high, in that case we'll look for an entry from the upper level of resistance, which is 2.427. So wait for the condition. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short. So just want to show you in daily time frame as well. So we do have a bearish pressure. If you see, this is a valid 382 candle right here on a daily time frame, so that shows a bearish pressure. So again, all I want to see a hit of this zone, which is now getting to this zone, and then a bearish engulfer. That would be a very good entry. I'll inform you once we have a condition in priority group as well. Here on currency.com, as you can see, the price did not hit the rejection box yet. Right here we have a clear condition. If the price, let's say, pull back up, hit this zone, forms a bearish candle, we will go short, and stop loss will be above the rejection box. Take profit wherever you want to take it. So that is what I'm looking at for nat gas. Let's check gold. Now for gold, if you remember, I've made a video how to trade gold and silver looking at the ratio. It goes opposite from the ratio at this point, especially silver. It has formed a flag pattern and broke below this flag pattern. So looking at this ratio, you have a likely chance that silver will push up from here as well, but I have not tested that majorly. For me, what I personally do, I'll personally wait for the zone below, which is right here. 23.36 goes down to 23.14. I personally wait for the hit of this zone, followed by bullish engulfers, double bottoms or 382 candle from this area of value. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. I'll wait for the condition right here. We do have a signal for bullish if you look at ratio. Here for gold, price has hit the level of minor support. So at this point, I can see a bullish pressure of this 382 candle. If you know, for 382 candle, I set my position few pips above the 382 candle, and then I leave my position for 4 hours, sometimes for 8 hours, and then I cancel my order. So that is what, if you want to do that, you can set up your buy stop order right above this wick, and if the price dramatically push up, you will be involved in the trade and stop loss will be below this wick. Take profit wherever you want to take it. So that is what I'm looking at. We can still get a push down, get a bullish engulfing pattern right here. So that is what I'm looking at, looking for buy conditions, not selling unless and until we have a complete break and close below this right here, this wick below and this zone below, which is 1975. If you have a break and close below this zone, then we will turn completely bearish. Price will fall to the next level of major support, which I'm going to mention in my next video if you have a dramatic fall. So keep an eye here for your entries. Check crude oil. So crude oil is now pushing up and pushed back up, did not make it to my level below, and at this point is now pushing back up in the level of trend continuation zone. So at this point we already have 1, 2, 3 rejections from here. So that is why I won't be looking for a possible fall from here. We might get a fall, but we have a good chance that the price will push up and hit the upper level of resistance, which is 74.85, from where I will look for my sell trade. So for now, price is now turned bullish. We have a break above 50 EMA. We can get a possible red candles followed by a bullish engulfer, and price will continue to push up likely till this level, upper level of trend continuation zone. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.